How to make hair mask at home for hair growth with carrot juice, onion juice, and lemon juice. Take 1 carrot, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 onion, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now, cut a carrot and an onion into small pieces and blend them in a food processor. Then, mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil and lemon juice each into this paste. Next, apply this hair mask and leave it on for 15 minutes. In the end, wash with a mild shampoo. For best results, follow this routine once a week. The carrot and olive oil in this mask boost hair growth and condition your hair, respectively. Onion juice, on the other hand, nourishes hair follicles. It is known to help combat hair loss. Lemon juice is replete with vitamin C, which boosts collagen. Collagen may stimulate hair growth, but there is not enough research to establish this fact. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.